Alright guys, let's see if this Yanmar has enough power to pull this giant log. Man, this little tractor's got some power to it, guys. Pulled this whole log and didn't break anything yet. I know there's some more testing we can do. Let's go get it done, guys. All right, check it out, guys. I got this tow hitch on Amazon. This thing is super heavy duty. You can see I have the 3-way hitch here with the hook on there so we can pull some stuff. If y'all want to get one of these, I'll put links in the description so you can get one for your tractor. I got the 3-point hitch all set up. Man, that was a pain to go through. Oh guys, that worked. No more tree. Let's go pull some logs and see how this thing does. All right, that pulled these logs no problem. All right, new plan. Tractor, tongs, cable, and pulley. So when I drive, it's just gonna pull the logs back in here, and they're going back in the woods back here. I go this way, logs go that way. All right, that worked awesome, guys. Let's go find some other logs to pull. All right, sweet, that worked. Now I got all those logs out of the way. It wouldn't pull this big boy like that. I'm gonna have to cut it into sections. Started digging a little bit, guys. All right, sweet, I got my trailer moved back here, and then I'm gonna park a boat over here and cover it up. That way it's out of the sun. All in all, this thing worked great. I didn't break anything. All right, y'all, that's it for the video. Don't let the size of the Yanmar fool you. That little tractor can put in work. I showed y'all that in this video. I have a bunch more testing I wanna do with this thing, so I'll check y'all on the next one. Later.